Take these steps to delete a reel or video from any playlist on a Facebook page. The first step is to launch a web browser. Once your browser opens, visit business.facebook.com and log in with your credentials. You can see the web link here, business.facebook.com. Once you log in successfully, you will be on a page that looks like this. The next step is to click on Content. This opens to this page. Click on Playlists. On this page, you will see some recent playlists you interacted with. Alright, if the playlist you want to work on is not here, please click on See All Playlists. This will show you all the playlists you have on your Facebook page. So scroll down until you get to that playlist you want to work on. Alright, so in this case, I want to work on this first one on this page. I will click on it. So on clicking on that, I can see the two videos that are existing inside this playlist. So the next step is to get to that video, to that reel. Click on the three dots. Okay, on clicking on the three dots, you will see some options, okay? Click on Remove from Playlist. Then click on Remove. So with this step now, that video is now removed from this playlist, but is still active as a published reel on this Facebook page. I hope I made everything simple and easy for you. So consider subscribing and hitting the like button to learn more. See you some other time.